Hi everybody, this is Bhupinder too. Welcome to my channel. I got Alexa with me here. You can see sitting down there. In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can change the level of the light in your room. It can be tricky, so I want to show you the best technique that you can use to adjust the lighting in your room. So first thing we want to do is to turn the light on. This is my light, so let's try. Alexa, turn on the light. So light turned on now. Now I want to change its lighting, okay? So I want to make it as bright as possible. Alexa, change the light to 100%. You see? Very simple. It changes now to the maximum brightness possible. Alexa, change the light to 50%. Alexa, change the light to 20%. So it's now dim. I mean, it's as simple as that, guys. So just say the percentage that you want, light to that percentage. You don't even need to say brightness or anything like that, and it understands from not 0% but any percentage. I prefer to say from 10, 20, 30 to 100%. So you just say set it to 20, set it to 30, set it to 50, set it to 100. So 0 is the dimmest and 100% is the most bright. And the last thing we want to do is to say, Alexa, turn off the light. That's it. I hope this tutorial on Alexa was useful for you guys. If it helps you to adjust your lighting in your room, please don't forget to subscribe. And please also don't forget to watch my other tutorials on Alexa so that we can learn how to use these advanced devices in 21st century as easy as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.